Good day guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to sew your buttons. If you are new here, this is the best fashion tutorials, so let's get right into the video. So first and foremost, I'll be threading the machine with you. So if you have this machine or a similar machine, you see that the threading method is all the same. The threading is pretty simple. It's just to pass it through the tension, and then the threading is done. So guys, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell, because we always upload content about sewing, about tailoring. You can actually check out our previous videos to see the content that we've specially made for you to watch. So right now I'll be cutting out the buttonhole. This is a seam ripper or a cutter, depending on what you call it. So we just cut off the excess fabric, the fabric that is coming out after cutting it. Then we'll look for a lighter and burn it and burn out the fire, burn out the fabrics. This thing is very important, but when doing it, make sure you don't mistakenly burn the thread of the buttonhole sewing. Why I did this cutting is so that I can be able to mark where my button will be. Sorry, it's off the camera please, but it's pretty simple. I just mark it and then I'll be fixing my button. So now you see I've placed the button on top of the marking I did. This is the technical part of it, because once your button shifts, whatever you're sewing will actually shift. So now you use your hand first of all to make sure the button is properly placed. Like you use your hand to sew, don't match the machine, otherwise you break the buttons. So after you've now gotten the setting, that's when you can now match your machine and sew the button. So guys, thanks for watching. I also have a video here on how to sew your buttonholes. Click on it and see you in class. Thank you guys. Bye.